Hello. I'm going to start by introducing the data project that Mark and I collaborated on. We chose a data set entitled Top American Universities in 2022. The data set included information regarding top university locations in the United States, as well as subsectioning locations by urban, suburban, and rural settings. It also provided information regarding grant funding, both in total dollars and as per student values. We used the data to take a look at both the distribution of top American universities geographically and to understand more about the distribution of grant dollars among the top American universities. Our first graphic, located in the top left-hand corner of the poster, illustrates the number of top American universities in each state. Darker colors are used to show states that have a higher number of top universities. As you can see, the universities are not equally distributed among the states. There is a higher concentration of top universities in the Northeast, and New York and California have the highest number of top universities, as illustrated by the darkest blue color on the graphic. In the graphic located in the lower left-hand corner of our poster, we asked the question, how are top universities in America distributed by region and also by campus setting, defined as urban, suburban, and rural? The larger blue boxes illustrate that there are a larger number of top universities located in urban settings than in suburban or rural settings. This trend is seen across all regions in the United States. The Northeast region has a higher number of top universities located in a suburban setting than other regions in the United States. Overall, the rural setting contains the least number of top universities, as illustrated by the smaller size of the boxes in the lower right-hand corner of the graphic. The bar graph in the center of our poster provides information about the grant aid distributed at top American universities. Universities are divided into public and private groupings. In the top portion of the chart, we can see that median total grant aid is higher at public universities than private universities. In the lower portion of the chart, we can understand that the percentage of students at private universities requiring aid is higher than the percentage of students receiving aid at public universities.
The fourth graph, which appears in the upper right-hand corner of our poster, demonstrates a scatter plot of total grant aid in relationship with total student population. While both public and private universities have a higher amount of total grant aid for a larger student population, the trend lines clearly show that private universities, as shown in blue, have substantially higher total grant aid overall compared with the public universities, shown in orange. The final graph on the bottom right-hand corner of the poster is a packed bubble chart which shows how the total student population is distributed among public and private universities among different geographic regions. This is an interesting chart that shows, at first glance, much larger orange bubbles demonstrating the large public universities around the country. A closer look at these public universities depicts the largest bubble overall to be public universities in the South, with the smallest being the Northeastern public schools. For private universities in blue, we found that the converse is true. The Northeastern private schools have the most students and the small private schools in the South have the least. In conclusion, this graphical exploration of top-rated public and private universities from 2022 was an interesting exercise that taught Val and I different ways that we can use quantitative analysis to look at a given topic from many different perspectives. Thank you for your attention.